Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to another daily video here from 88 Rotors Off-Road. We try to make it daily, but we do apologize for the lack of publishing videos in the last few days. I took a few days off and made it out to Hawaii with my family to spend some quality time with my son. So I'm back here today and ready to make a new video for you guys. Today's video is going to be a compilation on multiple Toyota Tundras and this Tacoma right here. Here's a Tundra that we'll be working on, lifting it with 35's with the body mount chop of course. Let's get into the details of it shortly. This Tundra right here is going with a set of Fox 2.5 Remote Reservoir front coilovers adjusted to about 3 inches of lift height. The rears are going with a 2.0 Fox IFP rear shock with some lift shackles. We're also doing a set of MR312s and wrapping them up in a 35 12.5 17 Toyo Open Country RT. The wheel specs on here are a 17 by 8.5 with a 0 offset. We're also running a Camburg tubular uniball upper control arm setup on here. Shop is located in the city of South El Monte, which is about 20 minutes east of downtown Los Angeles in California, USA. If you're looking to get some work done by us, feel free to call us anytime during regular business hours or send us a message through our contact form by clicking on the link in the description. Next up, we have this 2018 Toyota Tundra Platinum. This one came with a camper shell on it already. We're actually going to be lifting this one with a set of coilovers. These are going to be the King's 2.5 remote reservoirs adjusted to about 3 inches of lift height with some Camburg tubular uniball upper control arms in the front. For the rears, we're going with a King's 2.5 remote reservoir rear shock with 2-inch lift shackles. You can see our tech installing the 2-inch rear lift shackles here. And here's our welder getting in there and doing the body mount chop. This is to clear the 35 12.5 tires. For the new shoes on this one, we're going with a set of Field Vector wheels. These are an 18 by 9 with a plus 20 offset. We're wrapping it up in a 35 12.5 18 Toyo Open Country RT. We performed the BMC, which is known as the body mount job, in order to clear the larger size tires. If you want to see the full process in a detailed video of our BMC and the process itself, please check in our description below and click on one of the 2 links provided. We have more detailed videos of the BMC process that we do here at 88 Rotors. We do specialize in fitting 35-inch tires onto Tundras without any rubbing. I hope that you guys are enjoying the video so far, and if you do so, please find time to click on that thumbs up and give us that like. This is pretty much going to be a wrap for today's Tundra video. Make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't already and turn on that notification bell. That way you get alerted every single time we post a new daily video. And for now, you can continue watching to see some of the other videos that we will be publishing this week. Here's a preview, so check it out.